certified omelet rice. We're going to cut up our shallots and our garlic into very fine minced pieces so that they'll mix with the rice texture really well. This was my college food of choice when I was going to my nursing program. Then we'll take out the Chinese budget staple, lapchung. We need to survive on less than $10 in a world where the $5 hot and ready is more like the $10 hot and ready pizza. So welcome to a survival kitchen where the food is cheap, but the taste is good. Chinese sauces is used in a lot of dishes from hot pot to buns, as well as fried rice. It was thought to be invented in 1894 by a shop owner who stuffed his intestines of the leftover pork and pig liver. Then add your day-old rice. Season with salt and pepper, garlic powder, and mayonnaise. That's right, mayonnaise can in fact be an instrument. Instead of ensuring a healthy lifestyle, the goal is now to survive. So, the budget, a bit tight. The fridge, it's a bit empty. Fry up your chicken produce and add some cheese and cover on top of a bed of rice for a meal guaranteed to keep you from starving during the harsh winter. All for the low price of less than $5 per meal. Wow!